Snapshot 25W43A brought us data pack version 91 and resource pack version 71 with changes to the world border command and news for enchantment effects and loot functions. My name is Slime and this is a showcase of the changes. Let's start with the loot item functions. There's a new one called Discard that simply replaces any item stack with nothing. It has no fields. The filtered function has also been modified. Instead of a modifier field, there is now two fields called onPass and onFail, which are both either a single function or a list of functions to run. In Enchantment Effect news, there is a new entity effect called Apply Exhaustion, which applies exhaustion to the targeted entity. This only works on players, since players are the only entities that have exhaustion in the first place. There's one field on this effect. Amount, which is a level-based value determining the amount of exhaustion to add. Some bugs have also been fixed, so the Apply Impulse effect can now be used in the Location Changed effect component, and the Remove Binomial value effect no longer risks producing out-of-range values when used with large inputs. The world border command has changed in this version, or more specifically, the way the world border interpolates has changed. World borders previously moved based on real time, ignoring the tick rate of the server. This meant that if your server lagged, the world border became out of sync with the rest of the gameplay, even moving when the game was paused, which is now fixed. This behavior was also sometimes abused to get a measure of the real passing of time, something which can now instead be replaced by using the new stopwatch command. Together with this, the time argument for the world border command is now specified in ticks rather than in seconds. The stopwatch command no longer suggests the name of existing stopwatches when creating a new one. And player spawn points set with angles outside of the basic range now save and load properly. A bug fix related to the new environment attributes. You can now lay in bed during the day if can sleep is set to always, and the player sleep percentage game rule is set to more than 100. In Resource Pack news, the new darkened cutout mipmap field in the texture section of MC meta files has been replaced with a new field called mipmap strategy. This lets you select between 5 modes: mean, dark cutout, cutout, strict cutout, or auto, with auto being the default. All mipmap levels are once again animated, and beacons and redstone dust now support translucent textures. And that's it for these pack versions. Thank you for watching. My name is Slime, and I'll see you next time.